In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert and crop an image in your slide presentation seamlessly. This is a straightforward process, but I'm going to walk you through it step by step to make sure you're fully confident by the time we're done. To start, when you're ready to add an image to your slide, navigate to the upper menu bar. Look for the Insert option, then hover over or click it. Here you'll find the Image option, which will prompt you to choose your image source. Whether your image is saved on your computer, available on a shared drive, or even a part of a URL, you'll select the appropriate choice based on where your image is stored. Click on it, and your image will be placed directly onto your slide. With the image now on your slide, you'll want to select it by clicking directly on the picture itself. This makes sure you have control over the entire image for additional formatting or adjustments. Now let's move on to cropping the image, which helps refocus or resize your image to better fit your presentation's needs. Look toward the toolbar located at the top of your screen. Here, you'll find an icon that looks like a square with a diagonal line through it. That's your crop tool. By clicking this icon, you'll enable the crop mode. Alternatively, if you're more of a double-click enthusiast, you can simply double-click on your image. This action will take you straight into crop mode without needing to navigate the toolbar. There's also a third option you might find handy. Right-click on the image, and among the options presented, choose Crop Image. Any of these methods will give you access to adjust your image's boundaries. Once you've entered crop mode, you'll notice black bars or handles appear along the edges and corners of your image. These are your cropping tools. Click and drag them inward to focus on the part of the image you want to keep. For those aiming to maintain the image's original aspect ratio while resizing, a little trick. Hold down the Shift key. Now, when you drag a corner handle, it keeps the proportions the same, making sure your image doesn't stretch or warp awkwardly. After adjusting to your satisfaction with the crop, finalizing this action is simple. You can either press Enter, which is a quick keyboard shortcut, or click anywhere outside the image. Either action will apply the cropping changes you've made, leaving you with a neat, focused image perfectly tailored to your presentation. With these steps, you should be comfortable with inserting and cropping images in your slides. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to experiment with different images and sources. Thanks for watching, and happy creating.